Hello, welcome back to Building with Bud. The old boys are back in town. We're doing a carriage conversion. We'll turn this into a room.
Into something.
As you can see so far, we've built the floor up with tons and tons of type 1. We're now going to put some brickwork in there. We found the existing footing. Let's have a look. There you see, look. We found the existing footing there, which came right through. And we got really lucky because we didn't hit that pipe there with our breaker. We were so lucky. So what we're going to do now is we've got to get a few blocks in there and we've got to start getting on, boy. Okay, you can see it's starting to take shape. Sort of get some idea what we're trying to do. A bit of a retaining wall. We want to get so we can get that oversight in. We've got one more course and a course of bricks. And then we've got the outside skin to do.
Boss, I'm just going to check see if Doctor Who's alright.
Alright, boss, yeah, cool. Yeah. He's now got in the office stroke toilet. Today we've got to attempt to put a doorway in there. We've stripped it back to the bare bones now. And we've got to make an entrance door in here. We've got to move that radiator. And we'll see what we do. Cut through. Look at that. At least we know the smoke detector work.
Don't charge any extra for testing that.
It's all part of the service we do offer. Time to get the opening, blah blah blah.
Being careful of the pipes.
Yeah, the old stuff's in the skip.
Cool.
Perfect. Oh, it's been a long while since I've done that, boss. A long time. There we go, all boarded up, ready for the next section. There you can see the line in its bare state before we fix. I'm now going to try and get fixed on this side, right hand side first, because when my door's got to hang. So to get that really spot on if possible. So what we're doing now is, our main man is, and a lot of people they don't sort of understand this sort of thing, you do a little exploratory hole, get that one out, and then he can see exactly what he's up against, and then he'll decide the best way to get that piece of steel out in a safe and efficient manner without the least of disruption to the building. And that's how we roll, boy.
I won't go for efficient. Efficient's a bit hard. Safe as will make sure I don't catch me with two on it. But
Yeah. So this is where we start, alright?
Prime your machine. Only prime your machine before you start.
Is that good advice?
Oh,
Whiz, if you want the whizzer action, yeah?
Yeah, if you need whizzer action, you got to prime it, boy. Once you start that.
So we've exposed this bit of angle iron, which is very, very heavy. We've now got to find a way of getting that out. We're looking in the health and safety manual book and the building manual, page 19 we're on at the moment. And we can't quite see the way to do it. So that's got to get the old fashioned method.
Give it eye.
That's got to get an eye. We'll see on the other side. Here we go, concrete's here. Happy days for you. What do you think? Bit more? Bit more?
Bit more, Bob.
Yeah. We've got all night to play with it. Hopefully not now. Coming home.
Yeah, I'm hungry for that.
Football coming home. That's more like it. Yeah. Yeah. That's just about the right texture, that stuff, isn't it, boss?
Yeah. You don't want any wet, you don't want any dry.
Yeah. That's a fine line, that.
Yeah.
Like clean some of the spots off there. Hardest thing with these jobs is you've got to clear everything up, all the splashes. Otherwise you can get wrong with a knife this way. Done here for now. It's all gone off, lovely jubbly. Got this up to soldier course height, get this pointed up and see what we can do next. We've now got it to window height, we'll let that go off, then we'll have to go again tomorrow. Get some idea what it's going to look like. First half in. Now for the next bit of the circus we'll go this side and attempt to do that. Well, that'll do. Look how fiddly that is. A few little patches up there. Lovely. Just got to clean the back up and then we're away. I'll show you what I mean. So what I'll do is I'll now scrape all my rags and snots off there, fill it all up, and then we're sorted. Lovely job. Rumour has it, Right, that bad boy there. Let's have a look at what we've got. Juggle there. We've got that. That's as bent as a banana, but we'll get in there. Something like that. So we've had to mark it to match the existing. Normally we could put like 5mm there, but we've got a lot more. So yeah, it's got to match what's there, unfortunately. Right. Bit of L glue. We'll go for it. Right, so now we'll just bend that around. Down sight, we've then got to continue that wall. We've got to get the other side of that pair. So we've got to put stud work in there, and then we'll insulate it. We've got to create stud work wall on the inside of that brickwork, and we'll insulate that. And that's the next phase to get it all ready for the old Area house plaster.
And I have got area house.
So we'll fill that area void with lots of insulation, plenty of Celotex. If you look down here, put this sill plate down here, we've put DPC underneath it. We've got to get around these pipes because there's a radiator gone there, so we'll fix that. You can see that will be lagged. Get it folded in, all insulated, look up there. I put all the work, hard work on the pier. It's a pain in the butt, but that's what you have to do. We're getting that in there. All be insulated. Job done. We'll put DPC all behind that. All present and correct. So we're now laid 100mm Celotex on the floor, taped all the joints. And now got to lay the floating floor on top of that. Now it's ready for plastering. So now you can see the sheets are flying in. Use the old technique. I have seen people do that on their backside. We're good.
Good there, boss. Good
Right, that's all in. We're ready for the spreads. We'll have a clean up. Here we go. The boys are in. The plastering boys are in.
Yeah.
They're getting taped up.
Yeah.
He's giving a bit of PVA on there because that's our board. Look at that lovely action he's got.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Look at that. Yeah, yeah. That's lovely. Looking good. We'll come back later, get some action, then boys get their finger on. So here we are with the plasterers. I know getting the ceiling on. This is one of the hardest disciplines. Painting the ceiling. Tell you what I don't understand, right? Heat rise, don't you? Yeah? So why do we have to put that insulation in the floor? Because they reckon they pull heat out the floor now. Something to add up. You can't have it always, but that's just me.
They reckon the cold come out hot, don't it? The heat rise.
That's the heat rise that drag the cold up.
Yeah, capillary action.
There you have
That's
it.
all your capillary and your convection.
Yeah, there you have it. From the old master himself. He's been on the site barely 3 hours and he's already
Sort the job.
sorted the job out. Who was that laughing in the background?
Disagree.
That sounds good, doesn't it?
There you go.
That sounds good, doesn't it? We're going, boys, get there early. There then, boss, what's that all about?
Spreader.
Look at that. Look a bit 6x2 on a bit of angle.
That's just like...
He's laying it down now. Okay, can keep up with man. The arms like that. Look, Wally Coyote, yeah.
Road runner.
Especially with these legs. This is all part of it, you got to keep everything clean, look. Get all the old bits off. You never thought it'd be so important to clean a bucket.
Swear.
Criminator.
Not the director will have you sad.
Oh, bloody hell. This man don't worry about life gamers, boy. They get it, whether they need it or not. How do you get on these new big flukes, all seriously?
Crap.
Are they? Yeah?
No.
I'll help you out down there. Oh,
Oh yeah.
have an accident then?
Yeah, accident. The wind got lumped in it.
Have it?
Yeah. Tell me. I'm asking.
We're virtually at the end. Got that bit all filled in. We're waiting for the glass. Everything else is done. We'll have a look. We're made good there. turn that off. Just pull that over there. So, create the doorway, the door's in, so it will work lovely. Lovely. Click, 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 that's that. All plastered out. And you can see now the detail there. Skirtings are on, ready for the people to decorate now. So we started with a blank canvas, old garage, floors all down. There we go, job done. Just waiting for the glass. The only thing we couldn't get in is the glass. We had a little problem with that.